Real estate doesn't just happen inside pretty houses, neat contracts, or online listings. It happens in real life, in real time. Often while life is doing what life does. My name is Angelique Camille, and this is The Firm, Real Estate Explained. This channel exists because too many people are making real estate decisions without real explanations. They're overwhelmed, underinformed, and pressured to move faster than clarity allows. Here, we slow it down. We explain what's actually happening, and we talk about the things most people only find out after the paperwork is signed. I've spent years working in real estate at a level where decisions carry weight, where timing matters, where mistakes cost real money, where confusion creates unnecessary stress. What I've learned is this: most people don't need motivation. They need translation. As I'm recording this, life is happening in real time. Plans are shifting, conditions are changing, and decisions still have to be made. This is what real life in real estate looks like. Closings still happen, contracts still expire, deadlines still exist, and people still need answers. We adjust until we can move again. On this channel, we explain what contracts actually mean, why deals fall apart, what agents can and cannot do, what buyers and sellers don't realize until it's too late, and how to move through real estate without panic. No hype, no pressure, just explanation. This is what real life in real estate looks like. Movement, decisions, responsibility, and then regulation. Because clarity matters. And so does knowing when to slow your body down. Welcome to The Firm, Real Estate Explained.